Hello, welcome to BNY Marketing. We are an association dedicated to helping you easily gain the marketing knowledge to build a successful business and personal brand. So if you are somebody who is ready to access all the knowledge just waiting for you, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.
In today's video, we will discuss the right questions to ask yourself to come up with your ideal niche to build a successful YouTube channel. Question 1. Advice on what topics do your friends and family come to you with? This can definitely indicate which topics you are already an expert in. Maybe your friend comes to you for fashion and styling tips. Maybe your classmates or colleagues always want your advice on relationships. Maybe your cousins want to learn editing from you. It may be gardening people trust you with, or planning, organizing, cooking, etc. It can be a million other things. Notice what those topics are and make a list of them. Question 2. What are you passionate about? Now that you have made the list, ask yourself which of these topics do you get most excited about? Also, immediately cross off the ones you dread doing when anybody asks you to help with, because doing something you don't like will cause you to procrastinate and ultimately give up. Your task now is to narrow down and choose the topics you are really passionate about. Because building a YouTube channel is a long-term investment of both time and energy. Question 3. What are you knowledgeable about? After you have a list of only a few topics you are really passionate about, identify the ones you are confident you are knowledgeable in. That does not mean you need to have absolute knowledge about that topic, because that is next to impossible in reality. Choose the topic you are well educated in and are keen to learn more about. And make sure the information you put out regarding the niche you want to be recognized as an expert in is always verified. Build the trust of your audience as a key factor in long-term YouTube success. And we have come to the end of the video. But before leaving, let's quickly revise the 3 questions that will help you choose the niche for your YouTube channel. 1. Advice on what topics do your friends and family come to you with? 2. Which of these are you passionate about? 3. What are you knowledgeable about? We really appreciate you sticking till the end. If you want to continue learning, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit the notification icon and comment what is your YouTube channel about. Who knows, maybe you find some of your ideal audience in the comments section below.